This is the farmhouse, where I shot the Farmhouse video series. In this book 11, I'm going to go over the updates that we've done over the last 12 years, one room a year, and some things worked out and some things didn't. So just like the horse and buggy and the rail fence, we updated a few things that just didn't work out. Back when we put the new door on the porch, we went from 32 inches to 36. Had a nice wide door. We figured we were all set. However, the seal at the bottom of the door that hits the threshold only lasted a touch less than 2 years, and then it started shredding. I mean, every 2 years you got to rip that out. So we decided we were going to do something different. So from the Pemco company, we ordered a panic exit threshold 1855AT36, and what happens is the door, because it opens in, it swings against that rubber seal, and that seals the door. So the door does not touch the threshold on the bottom, so there's nothing to scrub. It just pushes against that rubber seal, and the door is sealed. Now from the inside, this is what you see. You've got a little bit of a step over, but to keep some longevity to the door seal, that's what we went with, and it seems to work quite well. There was one problem that, because it's not designed for the way we're using it, with intense rain, I'm talking the stuff that's coming horizontal, the rain was being forced past that seal. So I came up with an idea. I took an aluminum strip and a piece of rubber and screwed it to the bottom of the door so that it's just above the seal. And that stops any direct water from blowing by the Pemco seal. And that has worked for about 5 years. So we're quite happy with that. And that's the only update that we have for the porch.